Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 4th chapter, lines and angles. Today we will learn the exercise 4.3, all problems and solutions in Telangana State Book, page number 94. Today we will learn one by one only. Are you understood of the previous class? 4.4, 4.4.1, all 4.1 to 4.5, all theorems, and do these and try these all problems. It's over. The example problems is also it's over. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Are you understood all? Yeah, what are the 4.1 theorem? If a transversal intersecting two lines, then the each pair of the corresponding angles are equal. What are the corresponding angles? What are the alternative interior angles? Okay, what are the vertical opposite angles? Linear pair of angles. All are it's over. And next 4.2 theorem. What's the 4.2 theorem? If a transversal intersect two lines, then the alternative interior angles are equal.
Yep.
And exterior angles also equal. And next what are the 4.3 theorem? If a transversal intersecting two lines, then the each pair of the alternative interior angles on the same side of the transversal angles are supplementary, and exterior angles is also supplementary. Okay, each pair of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Do these and try these, all are the problems. It's over. And next, what are the 4.4 theorem? If a transversal intersects two lines such that pair of alternative interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Next theorem, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each others. Those all are the theorems. It's over. Okay. Based on those theorems, examples is also it's over. Today we will learn the exercise problems. Based on those theorems, today we will learn the exercise problems. Are you any doubts? In previous class?
No doubts.
Shall I start the today class?
Yeah.
Yeah, let us start the class. Yeah, first problem. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Look at the textbook. It is given that L parallel to M to prove angle 1 is supplement to angle 8. Write reason for the statement. Your statement, these all is the 1 to 5 statement is give reasons. How to write it, the reasons. Yeah, this figure is give. Yeah, this figure is give. First bit. Yeah, once observe this figure. Be carefully, listen better neatly. Yeah, first I will explaining this problem only. What is given, what is asked. First, yeah, these L and M is parallel is give. To prove is 1 is supplement to 8 only. Angle 1 is supplement to angle 8. Supplement means, what's the supplement? Do you know that only? What's the supplement means is 180 degrees.
Yep.
Sum of these two angles. These two are is the exterior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So write the reasons, you write it one by one. All are the statement is give one by one. You write it the reasons, you write it only. Yeah, first one is statement. First statement is L parallel M. What's the reason? Your reason is already given problem. That is the reason. It's over. And next, second one. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Yeah, look at this figure, Gagan Sai. Be carefully listen. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These two are is it same side of this? These L and M is parallel lines. These two are is the parallel line. This is the transversal line. Transversal line is intersecting of two parallel lines. Then each pair of these two only. 1 is equal to 5. These two are is the same side. Is it the same side of the transversal? Yes. So then the corresponding angles. These two are is the corresponding angles are equal. Yeah, by using the theorem 4.1 theorem or using here it is. Okay, na? This is the exterior, this is the interior angles. This is the two angles are is the same side of the transversal. Yeah, one angle is equal to the angle 5. What is the reason? These two are is corresponding angles are equal. Okay, next third one. Angle 5 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. What's the angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. These two are is the linear pairs. Yes, these two are is the linear pairs. Here to 180 degrees. Linear pairs. The sum of the adjacent angles is equal to the 180 degrees. So these two are is the linear pairs. What's the reason? Linear pairs. And next, here's of angles. And fourth one, angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. These two are is the exterior angles. Do you know the exterior angles? What are the interior angles? What are the exterior angles? What are the alternative interior angles? What are the alternative exterior angles? All are the topics. It's over in previous class. Are you understood? These two are, what are these two, Gagan Sai? Tell me the answer. These two are the exterior angles.
Yeah.
On the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So supplementary means is 180 degrees. So exterior angles are same side of the transversal is 180 degrees. And next fifth one is angle 1 is supplement to angle 8. This is also same exterior angles on the same side of the transversal or supplementary. Yeah, these all are is the 1 to 5 statements. It's over. The reasons it's over. Are you understood? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Yeah, one by one. You write it in our notebook. Yeah, first one. Given that you have to write it in a given problem. What is given? L parallel to M is given. To prove is the this one only. An angle is supplement to angle 8 only. To find is write the reasons for the statement. Statement one by one only. Write it. One first statement is L parallel to M only. Yeah, what's the reason? Given in given problem. Okay. Given in given problem. You already given in given problem. Okay. Is it given? Yes, is it given? L is parallel to M is given only. So that is the reason it's over. And second bit, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These two is the same side of the transversal. So these two are angles are corresponding angles. Okay, transversal intersecting two lines, then the corresponding, each pair of the corresponding angles are equal. So these two are is the corresponding angles. Are you clear? Are you understood? Why it is corresponding angles? These two are is the same side of the transverse. One is the exterior, one is the interior. So that's why these two are is the corresponding angles are equal only. And next third one. Third one is the angle 5 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 5 plus angle 8. These two are is the linear pair of angles. Okay. Why it is linear pair of angles? Yeah, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. The adjacent, the sum of the adjacent angles are is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So linear. These two are is the angle 5 plus angle 8 is the linear pair of angles. Are you clear? Are you understood? Next fourth one. Angle 1 plus angle 8 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 8. Yeah, these two are. What about these two, Gagan Sai? These two are is the exterior angles or interior angles? Exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, is it same side of the transversal? Yes, is it same side of the transversal? So exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal are supplementary. You already know that. What's the theorem are using here? It is 4.3 theorem are using it. Here it is only. So that point you write it here. It is what? That is the reason. Exterior angles. Exterior angles on the same side. The same side of the transversal. Transversal. Okay? Transversal is 180 degrees. Okay, are you clear? Next, fifth statement. Angle 1 is supplement to angle 8. This is also same. Why it is same? This is the 2R is the exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. That's why the same. This is also same answer. About fourth answer only. Okay? Fourth answer you write it here. It is. Okay? Yeah. This is the. Are you understood? Are you any doubts? Yeah. This is the first bit. All problems and solutions is over. And next we'll move on to the second one only. First, let's see the problem in our textbook only. In the adjacent figure, AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF and Y is to Z is equal 3 is to 7. Find X. Yeah, first what is given, what is asked in this problem, Gagan Sai. First, this is the one figure is give and what is give, and AB is parallel to CD is give, and CD is parallel to EF is give. Okay, these all are the three lines are is parallel only, and one ratio is give. Y is to Z ratio is give. This is the 3, and this is the Y ratio is 3 and Z ratio is 7 only. So find you how to calculate the X value, this value. Okay, how to calculate this one only. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in a given problem. Are you understood? Explanation? Yeah, the given figure, these all are is given. AB parallel to CD and CD is EF and next Y is to Z equal 3 is to 7 is given, and to find is the value of X. So let the solution for this problem. Yeah, look at the figure. Once observe here, it is Gagan side. Yeah, these two, X comma Y. Yeah, these two are the interior angles or exterior angles?
Interior angles.
Interior angles. And the same side, is it same side or other side?
Same.
Both are is it the same side only. Same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. We know that only. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. And next here it is, this is the opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are, is it equal? Yes, is it equal? This is also Y. This angle is also Y. So this is also Y plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? These two is also interior angles. Interior angles on the same side of the transverse is equal to 180 degrees. Are supplementary. Okay, by using the 4.3 theorem are using in this one only. Okay, yeah, first one by one you write it only. First let the solution for this problem. First from the figure. X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Why is it 180 degrees? These two are is the interior angles. Interior angles on the same side of transversal. Transversal is 180 degrees. Okay. So x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Next y plus z is also 180 degrees. Okay. Also y plus z is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? These two is also interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So it is equal only. So next we want the value of the x value. Okay, I have to calculate the x value only. So first what about these two angles? Gagan say x and z angles. These are A, B and E, F is parallel lines. So x and z, these two angles are is the alternative interior angles are is it equal. Okay, you already know that one only. So that's why x is equal z. Otherwise this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. X plus y is equal to y plus z. So both sides y is cancelled. We will get the x is equal z. Otherwise here it is the x equal z. What's the? Since alternative interior angles are is it equal? Alternative interior angles are equal. We know that. Okay. Alternative interior angles are equal. By using the 4.2 theorem. Okay, are you understood? X equal z. Yeah, first a calculated here it is z value and what's the ratios is give. So what's the ratios? Yeah, y is to z ratios is give. Y is to z equal 3 is to 7 is give. So the sum of the terms of the ratios y is to z is equal to give. The sum of the terms of the ratio y is to z is give. That is the 3 is to 7. So sum of these two terms is give. 3 plus 7 is equal 10. Okay. One by one I have to calculate y value and z value. How will you calculate this one? Y is equal to, y is the how many parts? How many terms are there? 3. 3 by total parts is 10 terms into 180 degrees. Okay. Why it is 180 degrees? These two are is the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degrees. So that's why it's 180 degrees. Cancel of these two only. 0, 0 is cancelled. Next product of these two terms. Numerator part. 8 in 3 ja 54. Y is equal to, therefore y is equal to 54 degrees. Next z. Z is equal to, z the how many terms are there? 7 terms. Total is 10. 10 terms into 180 degrees. So 0, 0 cancel. Next 8 in 7 ja. 8 in 7, that do you know the 18 table? 7 8 ja 56. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 5 12. So 126 degrees. Z is equal to 126 degrees. So here it is the Z means is X only. Why it is X? These two are is the alternative interior angles are is it equal only. So that's why therefore X equal Z is equal 126. 6 degrees. This is the final answer. Okay. The value of x equal this one only. Otherwise, the value of x. The value of x equal to 126 degrees. Okay. Are you understood? Next question. We'll move on to the next one. Let's see the problem in our textbook only. Yeah. First, I will read the problem in our textbook only. In the adjacent figure, AB parallel to CD, EF perpendicular to CD, and angle of DEG equal to 126 degrees. Find angle of AGE, angle of FEG, and angle of EGF. This figure is given. Okay, what is given? Yeah, these two is a parallel is given. And next one is EF. Yeah, this is a perpendicular to CD. Is it correct? Yes, is it correct? Perpendicular. This is the symbol is given. This is the 90 degrees is given. Okay. And next, what is the this one? Another point is DEG. Angle is given. That is the what's the 126 degrees is given. DEG. Yeah, this is the 126 angle is given. 126 angle is given. Find angle of AGE. Angle of AGE. This angle, but you don't know how to calculate this one only. Okay, first angle this one, and next angle FEG. FEG. This angle, but you don't know. Year to year, sum of these two angles is given, but here this single angle is, but you don't know. How to calculate this angle, FEG angle, that is the. And next EGF. EGF. Yeah, this angle is also, but you don't know how to calculate this angle. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? How many angles are calculated in this one? 3 angles are calculated only. Yeah, that is the explanation. It's over. Are you understood? Yeah, first let's see the problem in our textbook. First, given data, how to write it in our given problem. The adjacent figure AB parallel to CD and EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle of D is equal to 126 degrees. To find this, these are is the 3 angles how to calculate it. Okay, one by one only. Yeah, this is the figure is give. Yeah, first AG angles, but this angle, but you don't know how to calculate this angle. This is the 90 degrees is give. DEF is give, 90 degrees is give. And next FEG. FEG. So, but this angle how to calculate. Okay, DEG angle is give. DEG. This angle is give. This is the 120. What's the angle is give, Gagan say? Tell me the answer. 126 angle is give. Next, angle of EGF. EGF angle. How to calculate this angle only. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. These 3 angles are how to calculate it only, one by one only. Yeah, first let this solution for this problem. First, given you write it, angle of DEG equal to 126 degrees is given. Next, from the figure, AB is parallel to CD, and next angle another one angle is given. DEF angle is given. Angle of DEF is equal to 90 degrees is given. Okay? Yeah. Next, first one by one how to calculate it on. First one is FEG angle. How will you calculate the FEG angle? Yeah, this is the total angle. This is the DEG angle. minus of DEF angle. We will get this one. How will get this angle? Are you understood? This angle. This is the sum of these two angles is given. In your text, these two, sum of these two angle is given. That is this 126 angle is given. But only FEG angle. How will you get this one? DEG minus of DEF. We will get this one only. Okay. Are you understood? Angle of FEG. How will you get this one? Angle of DEG minus subtracting of these two angles. We will get this one only. What the another angle? DEF. Okay. Yeah. What's the angle of DEG angle? We know that only. Already given in given problem. What's the angle? 126 angle is given. Next, angle of DEF. We know that only. That angle is also given in given problem. From the figure here given only. So that is the what's the angle? 90 degrees. So subtracting of these two angles, how much of angle you got? 36 angle you got it. Okay. Yeah, that is the angle of FEG angle. Okay. Yeah, one angle is over, and next one angle of AGE. Angle of AGE. How will you calculate the angle of AGE from the figure? Yeah, once observe here it is Gagan side. Here it is this is the transversal. These two are the AB is parallel to CD is. 2 is the parallel length. This is the transversal. What's the transversal? G is the transversal only. Okay. That point you write it. AB is parallel to CD and next GE is transversal. Transversal. Okay. This is the transversal only. So yeah, angle of AGE is equal to, this is the alternative interior angles. Okay, alternative interior angles are, is it equal? Yes, is it equal only? We know that only. So by using the theorem 4.2 theorem. So first angle of AGE is equal to DEG only. Angle of DEG. Why is it equal? Therefore these two are is the alternative interior angles. Is it interior or exterior? Interior angles are equal. Okay. Why it is it equal? Are you understood? These two are is the interior angles. So here is it equal only. So angle of AGE is equal to angle of DEG. We do you know this angle? We know that already given in the given problem. What's the angle? Angle of DEG angle. What's the angle? 126 degrees is given. That is the angle of AGE. Okay, these two angles is over. Next another angle. This angle, how to calculate this one only. How will you calculate this one? From the figure. In the EGF, this is the one triangle. Okay. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. That property are using this one only. Sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That property are using this one only. Yeah, these two are is the parallel lengths. This is the 90 degrees and F is also 90 degrees. Why it is 90 degrees? This is a perpendicular only. So that's why this is a 90 degrees. You know that. Next, yeah, this angle is, we got it. What about this angle? FEG. FEG angle is 36 is give. We got it only. Next, these two angles is give. How to calculate this angle? Okay. How will you calculate this one? Since by using the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That property are using this one only. Okay. Yeah. In triangle What's the EGF? EGF. First one is FEG. Angle of FEG plus angle of EGF plus angle of EFG is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? These three angles, sum of the three angles are is equal to 180 degrees only. Okay? That property are using sum of the three angles. Three angles equal to 180 degrees. That property are using this one only. Okay? What about this angle, Gagan Sai? FEG angle. You know that's FEG angle. Yeah, substituting these angle are substituting in this one only. Okay? Yeah. Next, angle of EGF. Do you know this one? Angle of EGF. EGF, but how to calculate it only. EFG is 90 degrees is give, but how to calculate it? This one only. EGF, but you don't know. So how to calculate it? This one only. As it is write it, and next is equal to 180 degrees. 36 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to, what's that? 90 plus 36 is 126 degrees. This is the 126 degrees. Sum of these two angles is equal to the 126 degrees. Angle of EGF equal to 180 degrees. We want this angle only. So angle of EGF is equal to 180 degrees before equal plus 126. After equal it becomes to the minus 126 degrees. Okay, 180 minus 126 degrees. Subtracting up these two angles, how much of value we get it? 126. So yeah, borrowing of 10, 10 minus 6, 4, and here is the 1 borrow, it's over, and left is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5 only. So 54 degrees. What's the angle you got it? 54 degrees. That is the EFG angle. Okay, are you understood? EFG, this angle is 54 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, are you clear? AG angle is 126 degrees. This is a 126 degrees. This is a 54 degrees. This is a 90. This is the 36 degrees. All are it's over. Three angles it's over. This is this one. Three angles is over. Are you understood all this problem solution? Are you understood, Gagan Sai? Yeah, this problem solution is over, and next we'll move on to the next question. Fourth one. In the adjacent figure PQ parallel to ST, angle of PQR equal to 110 degree and angle of RST equal to 130 degree. Find angle of SRQ. Hint, one hint is give, that is the draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Yeah, this figure is give. What is given, what is asked in this problem. Yeah, first I will explain this one. What is given? PQ is parallel to ST is give. These two are is the parallel only. Okay, and next angle of PQR. Angle is give, that is the 110 degrees, and your next another angle is RST. Angle is give, that is the 130 degrees is give. How to calculate the SRQ? This angle you have to calculate. That is the question. Okay. Yeah, one hint is there. Draw a line parallel to ST through point R. Yeah, draw a one line here it is. through R. Okay. First given data, how to write it in our given problem. What is given, what is asked. The first given data, how to write it in a given problem. In this adjacent figure, PQ equal to ST and these angle of PQR equal to 110 degrees and angle of RST equal to 130 degrees. One int is given, that is this R is the given problem. So to find equal to the angle of SRQ, how to calculate. Okay, yeah, this is the figure is given. First let the solution for this problem. Yeah, one int is given. Draw a line parallel to ST through point R is given. Okay, draw a one line through R parallel to ST. This is parallel to one line. Draw, here it is. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, next. Yeah, this is over. And next, how many angles are is formed here? It is. This is is it a straight line? Yes, is it a straight line only. Okay. Yeah, how many angles are is formed here? It is 3 angles are is formed here. It is. Okay, are you clear? A, B, C angles are formed here. It is. Yeah, these two are, once observe here it is Gagan sir, PQ is parallel to L. This is the line L. Okay, these two are, is it interior angles or exterior angles? Interior angles. This is the transversal only. QR is the transversal. PQ is parallel to L. QR is the transversal. So these two are is the interiors angles. Sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees on the same side of the transversal only. Okay, you already know that one only. And next, here it is also, this side is also ST is parallel to L. Okay, these two are, is it interior angles or exterior angles? Interior angles. Why it is interior angles? Inside of these angles only. So that's why interior angles. So interior angles on the same side. Is it the same side of the transversal? This is the SR is the transversal only. So here same side of the transversal. So here these two are, sum of these two is equal to 180 degrees only. So that property are using in this problem only. Okay, how to calculate it? A and C value. Next again, after getting the A and C value, next. What's the angle sum property are using here? It is 3 angles. How to sum up the 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. The 3 angles are formed on a straight line only. Yeah, one by one, step by step, you write down the solution. Yeah, first one is, what is given? PQ is parallel to ST is given. And next angle is PQR is equal to 110 degrees is give. Next RST, angle of RST is equal to 130 degrees is give. Next, how to calculate the SRQ, angle of SRQ, how to calculate it. Your first, yeah, PQ is parallel to L and QR is transversal. From the figure, this is the from the figure. Okay, from the figure, PQ is parallel to L, and QR is transversal. Okay. Look at the notebook and look at the figure, Gagan sir. Be carefully observe. Here it is one by one. Okay, QR is transversal. So yeah, these two are is the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So A plus 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? Interior angles. Interior
same side.
Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal or supplementary. What's this theorem? This theorem is the 4.3 theorem by using the 4.3 theorem. Otherwise, simply also write it theorem 4.3 theorem. Okay. Next, here it is. Or otherwise, simple also I write it supplementary. Okay. Next, yeah, here it is also C plus 130. C plus 130 is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? These two is also same side of this one. But here it is this is the ST only. ST is parallel to L. Here it is the transversal. SR transversal. SR transversal. Transversal. Okay? Are you clear? Are you understood? Yeah. First, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. So, from equation 1, we have to calculate the A value. Equation 1, we get A value. A equal to 180 degrees before equal plus 110 degrees. After equal it becomes to the minus of 110 degrees. A value. What's the subtracting of these two values? How much of value? We got it. Tell me the answer, Gagan Sai. 0. And 8 minus 1 is 7. So 70 degrees. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 70 degrees. Subtracting of these two terms, we get this one, 70 degrees. So angle of A is equal to 70 degrees. How much of angle we get it? 70 degrees. We get it all from equation 1. Next, from equation 2. From equation 2, we get, what's the C value? How much of value? We get it from equation 2. So, C equal to 180 degrees before 130 degrees. Before equal 130 degrees. After transposing to right side, it is the minus 130 degrees. Subtracting of these two terms, how much of value got it? 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. So 50 degrees. Okay. Angle C equal, what's that? 50 degrees. Yeah, this is the 70 degrees and this is the 50 degrees. We got it. These two angles we got it. What about this angle? How to calculate this angle? How will you get this angle? Yeah, this is a straight line. Yes, L is a straight line. How many angles are formed here? It is 3 angles. So sum of 3 angles, we will get this one only. Angle sum property are using this one, we will get this one only. Okay? Yeah. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? Sum of the 3 angles on a straight line. Straight line is 180 degrees. Okay. So A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. Next, A plus A value, you know that A value? Yes, we know that only. That is the A value and C value are substituting in this one only. So, what we will get the B value. So, B as it is written, but you don't know the B value. This is the rough calculation here it is only. Okay, this is the rough work Gagan side. Okay, A and C value are substituting in this above. This is the equation 1 or 3. Anyone else? Okay, yeah, substituting of these two angles, that is the C is the 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, are you clear? 70 plus 50, adding up these two angles, how much of angle of these two? 70 plus 50 is 120 plus 120 degrees plus B as it is written is equal to the 180 degrees. We want this value, angle of B value. So that is the 180 degrees before equal 1 plus 120 degrees, after equal it becomes to the minus 120 degrees. Angle of B is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, it is nothing but 60 degrees. So angle of B is equal to what's the 60 degrees. Here this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, are you clear? That angle is what is this angle? Angle B, it is nothing but SRQ angle. Yeah, therefore angle of SRQ is equal to 60 degrees. That is the nothing but B only. Okay, are you clear? B angle, are you understood? This is the angle of B. Yeah, this is the final answer. You got it only. Okay, are you understood? Very simple problem. This problem is a very simple Gagan sai. Yeah, first, yeah, draw a one parallel line parallel to the ST through point or one draw a parallel line. Here it is the three angles are formed. Here it is on the straight line is formed only. First, you have to calculate the A and C value after getting these two values. Next, by utilizing of these two values, how to calculate the B. How will you calculate this one? Since the angle sum property are using only. That property are using, and how to calculate this one B value. That is the SRQ value. You got it only. That is the final answer only. Are you understood? That is the very simple. Are you understood, Gagan sai? This problem solution is over. Yeah, next we'll move on to the fifth question. In the adjacent figure, M parallel to N, A comma B are any 2 points on M and N respectively. Let C be an interior point between the lines M and N. Find angle of ACB. Okay. Yeah, this is the question is give. First, what is given, what is asked in this question, Gagan sai. Yeah, this is the figure is give. Once I look at this figure, Gagan sai. Yeah, what is given? A, B 2 points on M N only. Yeah, these two is a parallel lines is give. Okay. A and B are 2 points. M N respectively is give, and C B an interior. Is it interior? S C point is the interior point only. Between the lines M and N. How to calculate the angle of ACB? Angle you have to calculate this angle. That is nothing but Z angle. Okay? Z angle you have to calculate it. That is the question explanation. Are you understood? Yeah, first, yeah, once you draw, this is the one draw a parallel line. This one is, okay? Through C. Draw a one line parallel to MN through C. Draw here it is only. Next you have to calculate the Z value only. Yeah, first given data how to write it in our given problem. What is given, what is asked, Gagan sai. Yeah, in the given is in the adjacent figure M parallel to N is given, and A, B are any 2 points on the M and respectively, and C be an interior point between the lines M and N is given, and next this is given, and you have to calculate this angle. Okay. Yeah, Z value how to calculate it only. Yeah, first step by step you write it. M parallel to N is given. From the figure, let the solution for this problem Gagan say. From the figure, yeah, first here it is the one, draw a one line, draw a one line, but is not give in this one only, just I draw a one line only. This is the L line parallel to MN, okay, through C1. Draw a one line parallel to MN through point C only. So here it is. What about Z? Z here it is splitting into two angles. Why it is splitting into two angles? Yeah, here it is a throw a one straight line only. Draw a one straight line. So it is a two angles are is formed. How many angles are is formed here? It is two angles. Yeah, what is this one? This is the A angle and this is the B angles is formed only. Z is split into two angles. Sum of A plus B is equal to Z only. Okay. Yeah, from the figure. Yeah, once observe this figure Gagan side. Look at this figure. Here it is the this angle X. X is it equal to A? Yes, is it equal to A? Why it is equal to A? These two are is the alternative angles. This is the transversal. Okay. This is the parallel lines. These three are is the parallel lines only. So this is transversal lines. These also transversal line. Alternative interior angles are is it equal? So X is equal A. And next, yeah, this is the next. These two is the alternative angles are is it equal? S is it equal? B is equal Y only. X equal to A and B equal to Y. Why it is it equal? These two are is the alternative interior angles only. Okay. Alternative interior angles are equal. We know that property. Okay. Yeah, from the figure. From the figure, X is here it is the first one point, write it. Draw a line parallel to MN through point C only. Okay. So here it is Z is split into two angles. How many angles are formed? Split into angles are formed. So Z is equal to A plus B. Okay. Here it is the X is equal to A. From the given figure, X is equal to A, and next Y is equal to B. Why it is equal to A? It is nothing but these all are is the alternative interior angles. Interior angles are equal. Okay. Z is equal A plus B. So a plus b, it is nothing but x plus y. Okay, are you clear? Therefore z is equal to a plus b. A plus b, it is nothing but x plus y. Okay, therefore angle of ACB is equal to, what's the angle? Got it? ACB is equal, Z is equal x plus y. This is the answer. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Angle of ACB is equal, what's the ACB? Z angle is split into two angles only, A plus B. A plus B, it is nothing but x plus y. Why it is equal to x plus y? That is the alternative interior angles are, is it equal only? Okay, it's over.
Okay.
This problem solution is over.